So what you're going to need for this video is a cotton swab, toothpick, and scissors. What you're going to do with the toothpick is that you're going to cut it in. So you're going to cut it in half so you got 2 points. Then you're going to set these aside. And then with this, you're going to cut this in half. So now, and they have to be hollow, or you can glue them or tape them on. So now you got two of these. See how they're hollow? Or did I even start the video? Yeah, I started it. Wait, did I? Yeah, I did. So that's what it looks like. You got these. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna get one of them, and see, this is the blunt end. Cut it like that, and keep on cutting the side until you get something like this. See how it's pointed? You're not going to use that for the blow pin. You're going to use this part. I'm going to put it in here. And see, this is why they're hollow, or you can put hot glue or glue in the hollow part. Pretty much that's all you have to do. Then you might get a straw, put it in there, put your tongue here, then fill up your mouth with it, and let go of your tongue, and it'll. Or you can just simply do this. You can take it apart and put it somewhere. This is a little ammo holder that I made. So you just pop those in there. And put it wherever you want. Boom, just like that. Boom, clap. I need a nap. It goes on and on.